Hello everyone, now I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy F04. The display of this smartphone is 6.5-inch PLS LCD. The screen to body ratio of the display of this smartphone is 81.8%. The resolution of the display of this smartphone is 720 by 1600 pixel. PPI density 270. The operating system of this smartphone is Android 12.1 UI. The chipset of this smartphone is MediaTek MT6765 Helio P35. The CPU octa-core and the GPU power VR G8220. The card slot micro SD dedicated slot. The internal memory are available 64GB and 4GB RAM. The main camera of this smartphone are dual camera. The feature of the main camera LED flash and the video of the main camera of this smartphone 1080p into 30 fps. Now I am telling about the selfie camera of this smartphone is a single camera. The video is available of the selfie camera. The sound of this smartphone low speaker is available with the stereo speaker, and the 3.5mm jack is also available of this smartphone. The Wi-Fi of this smartphone 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot. The Bluetooth of this smartphone 5.0 to DPLE. NFC is not available, but the FM radio is unspecified of this smartphone. The charging of this smartphone USB Type-C 2.0. Now I am telling about the battery of this smartphone 5000 mAh battery. The charging of this smartphone 15 wired. There are a different module are available of this smartphone. The network technology are available of this smartphone GSM, HSP and LTE technology. The SIM of this smartphone dual SIM, nano SIM or dual standby. The line data was announced of this smartphone for January 2023. There are a different price are available of this smartphone.